Hey everyone, Jackie with Gene Photography here, and I'm going to share a couple before and afters using my action sample set, and I'm also including a practice image as well that you can download and practice on your own images with these actions. Alright, so I've got my actions open, my actions palette. If you don't know where that is, if you just go to your window, you're going to scroll down to actions, and you can also click F9 as a shortcut, and it's going to open your actions palette window, and then your actions are going to be located here. Alright, so we've got Simple, Sweet Cheeks, Faithful, Lift, Dream 1, Freedom Moonlight Matte, Freedom Extreme Moody, and this one is a black and white. Clean black and white, Savory black and white, and Create black and white 3. So I've got 5 black and whites, 5 color actions. Alright, so simple. I'm going to go ahead and press play. Go ahead and go to my layer so you can see before and after. And you can go within the layers and adjust the brightness and adjust the pop right there, as you can see. You get before and after. So that is the simple action. And let's go ahead and run Dream. As you can see, this kind of gives a nice little bit of matte, a little bit of haze to the image, just a really nice dreamy feel. Before and after. And let's go ahead and do a black and white as well. There's the clean black and white. You can see right there. And let me go ahead and blot out all these actions that I've run so far. And let's go ahead and do the Freedom Extra Moody. Press play. As you can see, this one's really moody. This is a deep, rich black and white, but you can also adjust the settings in the layers. So we've got the richness layer that you can take out, or you can bring down the opacity. And there's the extra moody. Again, you can take it out completely or reduce the opacity. Bring up the brightness if you want, or lower it. And then we've got before and after.